What's going on today, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install one of our 10 round limiters into the new Glock 43X factory magazines. These mags are made by Glock. They come from the factory in their new 43Xs and 48s. They are 15 rounds and we are going to block them to 10. We use a Glock 19 block for this. So if you ever buy the Glock 3 packs from Amazon or from our website, they'll be good to go in these mags. Okay, take a punch in the retaining plate, take the floor plate off, take the mag guts out. All you're going to do is put the follower right on top of the block and insert this block into the spring just like that, and then just put everything back together. Okay, this retaining plate is kind of a pain to get on, but you can do it. Just a little easier when you're not doing it on camera. So, okay, let it snap into place, and then we'll give it a test fitment. These springs are high tension springs that come in most Glock magazines, so that 10th round can sometimes be difficult to insert, but that's why mag loaders are awesome. And just show you, it can be done by hand. There you go. And that's after we broke the magazine in a little bit before we start doing these videos, because we do like to break them in at least a little bit. It does make it a lot easier to insert that 10th round. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please reach out to us at magblocks@gmail.com, and we're here to help. Please rate this video, guys. Thank you.